In the years following the Second World War, Britain was rebuilding its cities, industries, and confidence. Yet even during those challenging times, British car makers continued to create elegant and ambitious luxury automobiles. These cars offered comfort, style, and prestige when people needed optimism most. Today, we count down 10 British cars of the 1940s that owners regretted selling. Number 10. Standard Vanguard. The Standard Vanguard arrived in 1947 and represented a fresh start for British motoring. Built by the Standard Motor Company, it featured modern styling inspired by American automobiles of the era. Power came from a 2.1-litre four-cylinder engine that delivered dependable performance. While not the most powerful car of its time, it offered a comfortable driving experience and plenty of room for passengers. Owners appreciated its smooth ride and practical design. It quickly became popular, both in Britain and overseas markets. Many who sold their Vanguard later regretted it because the car symbolized Britain's post-war recovery. Today, surviving examples are increasingly rare and highly admired by enthusiasts who appreciate its historical significance. Number 9. Hillman Minx Mark III. The Hillman Minx Mark III was introduced in 1948 by the Roots Group. It featured attractive styling, improved comfort, and a dependable four-cylinder engine. The car was designed to appeal to families looking for quality transportation after the war. Its elegant appearance made it feel more expensive than many competitors. Drivers loved its reliability and ease of maintenance. It was a car that could handle daily duties while still offering a touch of sophistication. Many former owners remember the Minx with great affection. Selling one often became a regret years later, as surviving examples became increasingly rare and appreciated by classic car enthusiasts. Number 7. Jowett Javelin. The Jowett Javelin was one of the most advanced British cars of the late 1940s. Introduced in 1947, it featured streamlined styling that looked remarkably modern for its era. Power came from a flat-four engine that offered excellent performance and impressive handling. The car's engineering was ahead of many competitors. Owners admired its smooth driving experience and innovative design. It felt different from the typical British saloon of the time. The Javelin gained a reputation for being both practical and enjoyable. Many who sold theirs later wished they had kept it, especially after discovering how respected the model became among collectors and historians. Number 6. Alvis TA14. The Alvis TA14 arrived in 1946 and quickly established itself as a refined luxury automobile. Built by Alvis, it combined quality craftsmanship with elegant styling. Its 1.9-litre engine provided smooth and reliable performance. Buyers could choose from various coach-built body styles, adding an extra sense of exclusivity. Owners appreciated the TA14's comfort and attention to detail. It was a car designed for those who valued sophistication over speed. Many examples were carefully maintained by proud owners. Those who eventually sold them often regretted their decision, as surviving TA14s became increasingly sought after by collectors of classic British luxury cars. Number 5. Rover P3. The Rover P3 debuted in 1948 and marked an important step in Rover's post-war development. Its traditional styling reflected British elegance and understated luxury. The P3 was available with either a four-cylinder or six-cylinder engine. Both options delivered smooth performance suited to long-distance travel. Drivers loved the car's solid construction and comfortable interior. It felt dependable and prestigious without being overly flashy. The Rover P3 earned a loyal following among professionals and business owners. Years later, many former owners regretted selling theirs because of the car's charm, quality, and growing importance in British automotive history. Number 4. Bentley Mark VI. The Bentley Mark VI was introduced in 1946 and became one of the most respected luxury cars of its generation. It was the first Bentley produced with a complete factory-built body. Powered by a smooth, straight-six engine, the Mark VI delivered effortless performance and exceptional refinement. Owners enjoyed its quiet cabin, comfortable seating, and impressive craftsmanship. Every journey felt special behind the wheel of a Bentley. The Mark VI represented prestige and success in post-war Britain. Many examples changed hands over the years, but former owners often wished they had never sold such an elegant and timeless luxury automobile. Number 3. Jaguar Mark V. Introduced in 1948, the Jaguar Mark V brought style and sophistication to the luxury car market. Its flowing lines and graceful proportions gave it a distinctive appearance. The car was available with powerful six-cylinder engines that delivered strong performance. Jaguar combined speed with comfort in a way few competitors could match. Owners admired its luxurious interior and confident road manners. It felt modern while still retaining traditional British elegance. As Jaguar's reputation grew around the world, the Mark V became increasingly respected. Many owners who parted with theirs later regretted the decision, as the car gained recognition as an important Jaguar classic.
Number 2. Land Rover Series 1. The Land Rover Series 1 debuted in 1948 and went on to become one of the most influential British vehicles ever built. Built by Rover, it was designed as a rugged and versatile vehicle for farms, businesses, and remote areas. Its durable construction and capable four-wheel drive system allowed it to travel almost anywhere. Reliability quickly became its greatest strength. Owners loved its practicality and toughness. Few vehicles could match its ability to handle difficult conditions. Many early owners treated the Series 1 as a simple working machine and eventually sold it. Years later, they discovered they had let go of one of the most influential vehicles ever built in Britain.
Number 1. Morris Minor MM. At the top of our countdown is the Morris Minor MM, introduced in 1948 by Morris Motors. This compact family car would go on to become one of Britain's most beloved automotive icons. Designed by Alec Isigonis, the Minor featured modern engineering, excellent handling, and an attractive appearance. Its efficient engine made it economical and practical. Families loved its affordability, comfort, and reliability. It became a familiar sight across Britain and remained popular for many years. What truly makes the Morris Minor special is its impact on British motoring. It helped shape the future of family transportation and helped make car ownership more accessible for many British families. Many owners sold their Minors when newer vehicles appeared. Later, they realized they had parted with a genuine legend. For countless enthusiasts, the Morris Minor remains the British car they most regret selling. The British cars of the 1940s were more than just transportation. They reflected Britain's recovery and the skill of its automotive industry. Though many are gone, their legacy lives on, with collectors, restorers, and enthusiasts. That is why so many people regret selling them. They were not just cars, but pieces of British history. If you enjoyed this countdown, please like and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in the next countdown of classic British motoring legends.